Just a quick note on the curve calculator. I don't use it very often, but it's usually in checking. And those of you who draw boundaries or review plans may be looking at curves, and sometimes when you're drawing a boundary, the curve doesn't close. The curve calculator can come in very handy. Now, normally I just draw a curve and read it, but like I said, if maybe a boundary doesn't close and you think that there's a problem with a curve, you can use the curve calculator and punch in the data and see if maybe someone transposed some numbers rather than drawing multiple curves. And that can be found either by typing in curve calculator or under your draw in your curve menu. Right at the bottom is the curve calculator. Now, as I said, sometimes it's a little clumsy, but it can have its convenience, and you're checking multiple things. Like I said, usually not on the computer, but if you have plans that are written out, um, a, a plat or something like that, and you want to check multiple of them, it can come in handy.